Today, our class is about debts and losses, how to clear family debts and state's debts. Debt means it's a finance help taken from rich people or developed people or rich or major organizations. Petty loans, hand loans, okay, may be taken in emergency to meet some personal and family needs of the people, which can be cleared or repayable in 1 week or 1 month, etc. time, no problem. Any family debt or department, organization, office debt or any state government debt shall not exceed 1/4 of minimum 2 years to maximum 3 years income. If a family debt is heavy, repayable is difficult in a span of some years. Such family will fall on the streets and beg. Example 2. If any organization or department or office debt is heavy, it also meets the same fate. Similarly, if any state government debts are lakhs of crores, the state government will beg. No jobs, original income, etc. will go for interest, etc. The most of money will go waste. The people and future generations will suffer a lot. Too much to be true. If any state government or any political ruling party, if it makes heavy debt unable to clear in a span of 2 to 3 years, such political organization or such government, maybe state or central government, is unfit. The people can question such political organization, such state's government, such state rulers. Law, high courts and Supreme Court and central government can question and issue show cause or memorandum for the reasons of heavy debts and keep it before the public for decision. If the debts are really heavy, too much, unable to clear, the people, High Court, Supreme Court and nation central government can dismiss such state governments or such ruling parties or such rulers for the sake of people and for the development of state and for people peace. This is God's law. For loans clear and state's development, there are many plans and formulas available. Maximum many free welfare schemes must be cut off. Only rice quota, famine works, etc. for the poor people who have no grounds basis, etc. may be allowed. Reservation necessary for the poor people and reservation in private organizations also must to make justice to the poor. And do not collapse standard structure, standard buildings, standard materials, etc. Just rectify as per scientific Vastu principles and avoid wastages. And corruption in government departments, organizations, office is most dangerous, harmful. Creation of business to all, private jobs, works, posts, etc. better than giving free money. In government hospitals, government schools, colleges, institutes, free medical, free study, coaching, maybe, etc. allowed to the poor people, SCs, STs, BCs, etc. Manure, seeds at subsidy rate for farmers, life insurance for rupees 5 lakhs and crop insurance for rupees 10 to 20,000 per acre, etc. necessary. And 0% or 1% interest crop loan, etc. may be allowed. During floods, earthquakes, wars or any outbreak of virus, disease, etc., money, rice, help, etc. may be given for 1 to 3 months to the poor people. Okay, may be given, no problem. Later, control the problem and create works, jobs, business, etc., not free money. Marriage is a duty of the parents, means marriage of any son or daughter is the duty of parents. So, marriage free money not needed to the people. Feeding old father or parents is a duty of the sons and daughters. So pension scheme not needed. When jobs in private organization, business center, works created, free hospital, free education, free coaching, etc. created for the poor people, and in each house, one job is given in private organization or business center or government organization, etc. What is the necessity of giving free money for orphans, maybe male or female, who has no assets, no dependents? Give rice monthly quota, create famine works or any private job in any private organization, industry, etc. That is okay. When crop insurance, animal life insurance, farmers life insurance, etc. given, and reservation in private organizations and government organizations implemented for the poor, what is the necessity of giving free money, etc.? Maybe farmers, workers, etc. not needed. Create small scale industries, medium scale industries, large scale industries, factories, business centers, etc. and create works, jobs to all, not free money. Even old people also can work for some hours. Light work can give good health and earn rupees 1500 etc. monthly. Sitting causes many diseases. Walking, light work gives health for old people too. Any ideal vehicle gets damaged. It doesn't run. Moving vehicle is always good condition vehicle. And good, though it faces minor repairs sometimes. PH candidates can also work in private centers for some hours. Select best formula products and export to some destinations, at least 10% products and 90% products to your local states. Idleness, free money, danger, very danger.